Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore a cancelled auto policy with GEICO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore a cancelled auto policy with GEICO, start by gathering your relevant information. Make sure you have your policy number and personal identification ready. Visit the official GEICO website or open the GEICO mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your information as requested. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section. Look for an option labeled Manage Policies or Policy Status. Select the cancelled policy that you wish to restore. Read any notifications or instructions related to your cancellation. Click on the option to restore or reactivate your policy. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity and verify your information. Review the terms of the policy to ensure they meet your needs. If prompted, make any necessary payments to reinstate the policy. Choose a payment method that suits you best. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. Check your email for a confirmation message from GEICO. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting GEICO customer service. They can assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Keep records of all communications for reference. After restoration, ensure you understand the details of your renewed coverage. Review your policy documents carefully once they are sent to you. Congratulations, you've successfully restored your auto policy with GEICO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.